So today in this video, I will share how you can easily hide your cash on delivery option for some individual bad customers. So let's see how to do it. At first, go to your customer section and select individual customer. Then here add a tag like no COD. After that, save this. Now for this, I install this advanced cash on delivery app. You can also download it from the Shopify app store. After installing the app, go here, advanced payment rules. Then create a new payment rule. Give a title like block COD for bad customers. Select the condition customer tags. Operator in this list. Now here type the tag no COD. Then add an action. Payment method name contains COD. After that, active the status and save this. So now let's go to the online store. If I type the email of the particular customer, then you can see the cash on delivery option is unavailable. But if I type another email which is outside of the list, then you can see the cash on delivery option is available. So in this way, you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's all today guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.